In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update your country settings on eBay in just a few simple steps. Whether you've recently moved or simply need to adjust your account's location settings, this guide is here to walk you through the process effortlessly. First things first, you'll want to head over to the eBay website. If you haven't bookmarked the site yet, simply open your preferred web browser and type eBay in the address bar, then hit enter. You'll be directed straight to eBay's homepage. Make sure you're logged into your account. If not, take a moment to sign in using your usual credentials. Once you've accessed the site and logged in, direct your attention to your profile. This is normally located in the upper corner of the homepage, symbolized by either your profile picture or a basic profile icon. Go ahead and click on it. A drop-down menu should appear, listing various options related to your account. From this menu, locate and click on Account Settings. This will take you to a page dedicated to managing all aspects of your eBay account. Here you can adjust details ranging from your personal information to your preferences and site settings. For our purpose today, head down towards the bottom of this page. As you scroll, you'll find a section labeled eBay Sites. This is where the magic happens. You'll spot a list of country options, allowing you to customize your experience based on your geographical location. Simply click on the field and scroll through the list of countries to find the one you wish to set as your new location. Click on your choice and voila, your eBay site settings will be updated to reflect your selected country. And that's it. Just 3 easy steps and you're done. Your eBay account will now display in the language and offer the regional features associated with the country you've selected. This can be incredibly useful for accessing local deals, ensuring product availability, or simply navigating the platform in the preferred regional settings. Remember, these settings can be changed at any time, allowing for flexibility as your needs evolve. So feel free to revisit this process whenever necessary. We hope this guide has been helpful, and if you have any questions or need further assistance, don't hesitate to reach out to the eBay customer support team. They are more than happy to help resolve any issues you might encounter. Thanks for watching and happy eBay browsing.